Hi, welcome. My name is Karen Prince. Now, I've been seeing this hair all over the market. Okay, this is Crochet Human Hair and it comes on a tiny piece of thread. I feel like this hair will be perfect for boho braided styles. Okay, why? Because you can add the hair in and it is not going to slip out, and you don't have to worry about that short piece at the end. Okay, I absolutely love this hair for a boho braided style. A lot of companies sell this hair. I would love to use this hair for mini twist hair. It is just perfect. The thread at the top is really small. Okay, it's really small and thin, and it fits perfect into a braid. You can see here how small I'm actually braiding this braid. All right, I always wondered, like, would it work for me if I could use this on my hair as someone who has fine natural hair, because I was like skeptical about the size of the thread, but it is actually super small and super sturdy. Okay, yeah, I just want to show you guys that real quick. If you are interested in the crochet hair that's in the market right now, I feel like this will be perfect. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this new crochet hair that's on the market and how you would use it. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.